When I sit down to play guitar and noodle around, I love mixing up lead and rhythm, exploring the guitar as a complete instrument. And probably my favourite vehicle for doing this is the blues. I started writing solo blues guitar arrangements over 20 years ago. In fact, the very first DVD product I made was a series of these blues arrangements. And actually, I've wanted to revisit it for quite some time, and I recently started digging around in it and realised that actually there was quite a lot of room for improvement. The aim of these blues arrangements was always to help the student improvise using a particular concept. So in this revamped edition, I go into a little bit more detail in that area. I also noticed that some of them were perhaps a little tricky to jump straight into, so I've rearranged simplified versions, or what I've called preparation lessons, which kind of stick with the main concept but in a slightly more accessible form, hopefully still keeping a lot of fun.